Dear traders, in this video I'm going to explain you the best and most customizable trading strategy that is coded by ChatGPT, and this strategy bot finds the most optimal trade entries, and it gives us easy and which can be followed by and sell signals. Here I will be discussing about three indicators that we are going to use for this strategy. But before going towards the details, I want to tell you that this strategy can not only be used by the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. And here I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading. That is Xness. If you want to open your account with Xness, you will have the 5 options of accounts. Among them, there are 2 standard accounts, standard and standard cent, and there are 3 professional accounts. They are raw, spread, zero, and pro account. If you are interested to open your account with them, they are trustworthy, and they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission and no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with Xness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened the gold chart along with 30 minutes time frame, and you can choose any other time frame like 1 hour, 4 hour, or for the day trading as well. Here the indicator that we are going to add is the Kirill channel indicator by Gazanov. Care 388 traders are using this indicator. As you can see, it has drawn few channels that are the support and resistance channels. How do they work? I will tell you. First of all, I want to tell you that this is called the top border, and this is called the bottom border 1, and this is called the top border 2. This is the bottom border 2. The orange or red color is the top border 3, and the green one is the bottom border 3. Our market usually moves in between these two, the top border 1 and top border 2. In between these two levels, they are working as support and resistance level. This will be as support, and this will be working as resistance level. This purple color bar is the central line that is made with the help of joining the purple color dots. And if our market has to move in between these two ranging levels, then you have to avoid trading. But your market has to move. If this market is moving above this purple color bar, it means that you are in the uptrend. And if it is moving down or below this purple color line, that is the central line, then it means that you are in the downtrend. But you have to look towards your trends in between these two levels. For example, if your market is moving from here to upward, it means that you are in the uptrend, and you have to take the entry into the buying market, as there are more buyers in the market as compared to the sellers. And if you look towards here, then this market has touched to this level, and finally it reversed back, and it has come down. So you have to take that entry into the bearish trend, and finally you have to take the sell signal, because there are more sellers in the market than the buyers. So you have seen that it has crossed this level as well, top bottom border 1, bottom border 2, and finally it has touched, or market has touched to the bottom border 3, and then it has taken the reversal upwards, and now it has taken the entry into the market for the buy trend, and it has reached till the level top border 1. So it will work like this, and to get the most accurate result, we need to add 2 more indicators. The first indicator that I am going to add is the relative strength index. And as you can see, we need relative strength index here. Simple, and I will click on it to add it on your chart, and here it will be shown with the purple color line with the relative strength, and the yellow color line with a central line that will show you, this is basically MA line that is showing you the trend of the market, whether it is an upward trend or a downtrend, as compared to the relative strength index, that what is the strength index in the market of the buyers or the sellers. Here I am going to add the last and final indicator, and that is the volume oscillator, that is showing you that what is the volume of the market, buyers or sellers into the market. Here you can see it with the blue color line. This is showing you the volume of the market buyers or the sellers or the buying or selling here. Okay, let's suppose if we have this entry into the market, let's suppose we get the signal that now it has touched to the end or the bottom border 3, and now it has taken the trend reversal, and now it has to enter into the market for the buy signal. You can see that your market has gone below this level, that was the oversold level, and now it has to take the trend reversal for buying market. Okay, and if you see it here in the volume oscillator, then you can see that there are more sellers in the market than the buyers. So you have to take the entry into the market for the buying, and from here you have taken the maximum profit until the market touched to the top order 1, and then it has moved down, and now this market is moving among the ranging level, so you will avoid trading here. But if I want to show you the signal that was given by the indicator that you have to take the entry into the sell signal, so you can see it here that our market has touched to the top border 1 3, and it has reversed back for the bearish signal, and you can see that here also our market has moved up above this level, and now it has to move down. Here also our market volume is more in the buyers, so it has to take the trend reversal finally, and our market will move down. If I show you by drawing a line, you can see that our market has moved from here till here. So this was the maximum level that a market can move in between these two levels, which are the support and resistance level, because this was the top border 3 and this was the bottom border 3 where the market has touched. So the strategy works in this way. If you want to see the same trend indicators in any other pair, I can show you here that, for example, here if I see that your market is moving in between these two levels, top border and bottom border 1. But if we see that USD Canadian dollar, then you can see that your market is moving in between these two levels as well. Means not only in the top border but also in the bottom border 2. As your market has must have moved in between. Yes, it has moved towards the second border, that was the top border 2 and top border 3. If I show you by drawing a line that your market has moved from here till here, so you can take the maximum profit by using this strategy, as your volume oscillator and trend RSI indicator is also showing you that this is a downward trend. So this is clearly visible now by using these strategies, that how do you use the strategy for taking your market or entry into the market or for the exit from the market. Do use it for your own trading, and if you like and understand the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching this.